Right, well, here we go. Let's go for a ride. I mean, the water is literally bright green, but weather's perfect for it. And this used to be at Lightwater Valley as well, so I mean, technically I've been there before. Right, there we go. I think it might be a bit side heavy. Hey, spinny. I mean, it can't be as bad as that one at Gulliver's, surely. All right, here we go. Bouncy, 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 bouncy. And I don't even mind if I do get soaked today, so it's all good. Right, here we go. Oh, it's green. Oh, hey up. Oh, oh, oh. Spinny! Whoa! Goodness me. Oh, I'm going in backwards, 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 backwards. No, 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 no. Oh, hands are wet. Oh. I mean, it smells like chlorine, so yeah, interesting. Right, here comes the fun bit. Oh, wet ass. Ah! Whew! Chilly. Light sprinkling and that's it. Well, there you have it.